In this video, I will show you how to delete all posts on Facebook at once. So let's get started. First, open Facebook app on your mobile device. Now go to the menu by tapping on menu icon located at the bottom right side. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. On Settings and Privacy screen, scroll down. Under Your Activity, tap on Activity Log. On Activity Log page, tap on your Facebook activity. Next, tap on Manage Post in the Post section. Next, tap on Filters. From the options, tap on Categories. Here, tap on Your Post, Photos and Videos. Now tap on checkbox that says All. Tap on Recycle bin at the bottom. You will get a confirmation message. So if you are sure you want to delete all the posts, tap on Move to Trash. It will take some time to process all the posts. Now tap on Recycle bin at the top. Select all option and then tap on Archive at the bottom. So this will delete all the posts on Facebook at once. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.